Welcome. In this video, we will be seeing how to record each transaction in the BSNR portal for a dealer. So there are three steps: GRN, bundling, and dispatch receipt. In the step GRN, whenever there is a procurement from a farmer or any other supplier, one GRN has to be created. Click on the plus icon and you can see the invoice raised by your supplier, and all the details will be available on screen. You can edit the DRC content, material loss, etc. and also upload evidence if it is available. So after all the details have been entered, click on submit button. A GRN has been successfully created. In case if you are procuring from a farmer and they cannot make a dispatch receipt, you can click on grower's dispatch receipt not available and enter the details manually. The total shipped quantity, the material loss, etc. can be entered, and the evidence can be uploaded in the evidence section. Now we have created two GRNs against two suppliers. The next step is to bundle these two GRNs together. So go to bundling section, select the product, natural rubber, and the product type like RSS5 or latex. Then select the GRN which we have created earlier. Click on the tick boxes. You have the provision of selecting multiple GRNs. Then click on add GRN. Here you have the provision to enter number which is equal to or less than the GRN quantity. Now successfully a bundle has been created by combining two GRNs. The next step is to create a dispatch receipt. So this step is to be done whenever you are selling the rubber to the buyer. So select the product type, the buyer role and the buyer name. And in case if a purchase order is available, enter the purchase order number, the place of discharge, and any other requirements like serial number or any other reference number can be entered, but it is optional. Now select the bundle which we have created earlier, click on add bundle and enter the invoice quantity which can be equal to or less than the batch quantity. Now you have successfully created a dispatch receipt. Thank you.